a lot of us use Google Slides, but were you aware there's actual templates out there that can make your life easier? Not only that, it will help engage your learners. It will allow you to focus on the content instead of the formatting of the slides. And on top of that, there's awesome templates out there that include choice boards, interactive classrooms, and even to gamify your classroom. So, hi, I'm Stephanie Roberts with your Digital Learning Team Tip. All right, I can get to Google Slides either by going through Drive, or I can go up to the waffle and select the app from there. It'll open up. Notice at the top of mine, my template gallery is kind of already there. If yours is not at the top, what you want to do is go over to the left-hand upper side where it's main menu right next to the slide icon and select Settings. Within Settings below Templates, you want to make sure this box is checked, Display Recent Templates on Home Screens. Once you've done that, you should see that. To actually see all the templates, you would go ahead and click on the template gallery, and it would show you all of the templates. All right, you'll notice right now I am under the General tab. If you notice, I actually work with Grant Wood AEA, and we actually have a tab that is specified just for us. These are templates that our organization has uploaded, and they are branded for Grant Wood use. And so they have our colors and kind of our expectations and hit some of the accessibility needs that we have. Be aware that your district or organization might do the same. I also want to show you that you can actually go and find templates in other areas. If you just simply type in free templates for Google Slides, you'll see Slides Go, Slides Mania, Slides Carnival. Slides Mania is one of my team's favorites, so I'm going to go ahead and go there. Once you get there, you can see they have menus at the top, and you can see the education menu with lots of options. The games, like I talked about, choice boards, interactive templates. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and select Education Bundles. And you can see there's multiple different options for me. I'm going to go ahead and select this one here. I'm going to scroll down to about midway, and you're going to see an option where it says Open in Google Slides. I'll go ahead and do that. I can get a better peek at it. It shows me kind of what's in there. If this was what I decide, then I'm going to go ahead and choose Use Template. This will actually download it and open it up in Google Slides. Once I'm inside the slide presentation, I'm going to go ahead and rename. Then I'm able to click on any of the text within any of the slides and type in whatever I want. I can also click on a slide, and if I choose not to have it, I can go ahead and delete it. If I have where I want to change the image that they have on there, I can right-click the image and click Replace Image. Depending on where I want to find that from, I'm going to go ahead and search the web really quick. I'm going to grab this little puppy dog and put him in there. I also can insert new slides. If I click on this next to the arrow, next to the plus sign and the down arrow, I can insert any of these slides that I want, and you can see that they go along with my theme that I already have here, and it will insert those slides. The final thing I do want to point out is I feel like it's very important to keep the very last slide from any of the templates to give them credit for creating that slide. If you have any questions, or if I can help you any further, please contact me or one of my team members. Thanks.